Hi, today I will show you electric hand warmers. This is a very interesting and helpful item. I prepared a list of the most important features that I think are useful, so I don't forget about anything. So the first thing is I bought it for about €30 or 35 USD. It was on the promotion, but you can find other models on Amazon, on AliExpress, or like me on Okupa. This is not sponsored, but it could be. So there are many models of electric hand warmers. This one that I have, I bought on promotion. So they were cheaper, but you can find cheaper ones or more expensive ones. And why they are worth their price. The first feature, in the difference to the chemical ones, the heaters that you probably know that you can activate, it heats for some time and then you can boil it to reset it and use again. These ones you can turn on and turn off at any moment. The chemicals ones, you have to turn them on, wait until they run out of the energy, boil them, and then you can use them again. This you can every few minutes turn them on off when you are going outside, inside without any problem. So this is much better that you can turn them off. This is big advantage for me. Second thing, they heat up really fast and they cool down really fast. I've prepared a thermometer to show it, and I also have a theoretical temperatures that it should have. Next thing is that it has 4 levels of heating. I will check them, and it should achieve between the first level 38 to 43 degrees Celsius or 100 to 109 degrees Fahrenheit. Second level 33 to 48 degrees Celsius, 109 to 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Level 3 48 to 53 degrees Celsius and 118 to 127 degrees Fahrenheit. And level 4 53 to 58 degrees Celsius and 127 to 136 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's check it. I will show you how fast it heats up and if it agrees with the theoretical temperatures. I will turn it on. I hope that you will be able to see the temperature. I will tape it to one of them. Right now you can see 29 because I was holding it. It should drop down and I will enable timer to show how fast it heats up. 26 degrees, 25, it is almost cooled down. I think it is enough, and I hope you will be able to see it. I will turn it on the first level and start the timer. And let's see how much it will heat up and to what level. It should achieve between 38 to 43 degrees. And let's see what will happen. And already it has 38, so it is the minimum temperature that it should have. And 30 seconds passed. And it's still climbing. 31 and it stopped. And it's falling down. And it now should oscillate between those temperature ranges. So it is falling down, 38. It stopped and it already, yes, now it is raising up again. So it's working like it should, and now let's go to the maximum level. Double click enables the power level, so I have to press slowly, but it is hot to touch, but I can still hold my hand on it. So it is hot, but comfortable hot. And now let's see the maximum heating. You can see how fast it is rising. Only 1 minute passed and I tried the lower level before and it's already 36 degrees. It should achieve between 53 to 58. So let's see when we would stop. Already 50, 53 already, so this is the minimum temperature that it should have. I will show you here, maybe you can see it. 54, and let's see when will it stop. 55, 56, 57, so only 1 degree more it should go. 56, it's going down, and it should after some moment stop and start going up again. Let's see when will it stop. 52, and now it's going to up again. So you can see it goes really fast, and now it's too hot to hold for me. So I don't recommend using level 4, but if you need really hot, you can use it. But it's too hot for me to hold. I usually use the level 1. It's enough for me. So let's put this aside. And next thing that I've written down is you can use this as a powerbank. Not necessarily all models work like this, but the one that I have do. So in the package you receive also 2 USB-C cables to charge the warmers, and you receive a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and you can plug it into one of these, then you plug your cable to this, and now I can plug my phone and it is charging. And each of these have 5000 milliampere hours, so it's quite a lot, and for the emergency power bank this is useful. You can easily charge up your phone. And but of course there are different models, and some can have more, some can have less. These ones that I have each one 5000 milliampere hours. The next thing is that you can use them all the year if you have a problem with cold hands, because this is really low effort item. You just turn them on when you feel cold, warm up, and you can turn them off, and you can easily charge them with a power bank or a wall charger with a USB cable, so you don't have to worry and go boil water, put it in water, then if you activate you have to reset it again. You can easily turn them on and off at any moment, heat up yourself, warm up, and turn them off, and do it many times. It should work for many hours. In the manual they've written that on the lowest level it should work 8.5 hours, and each one. So if you use only one, you can have double the time. And on the highest heating setting, for the 3.5 hours it should work. So this is long time. You don't have to charge it so often, only after longer use. If you have a problem with cold arms, it can really make you more comfortable, that you can so easily use it. I think that I told about everything. That the biggest advantages for me are that you can turn them off at any time, you can charge it up very easily, and what I wanted to say, that it is a power bank, so I can in emergency charge up my phone. So I think this is all that I wanted to tell about this item. Write in the comments if you think this is useful and would you like to buy it. I will put links in the description to this Ocupa, or somehow like you spell it, device, and also to Amazon and AliExpress if you want to find the cheapest one, or just other shapes, other amounts, because they are single, they are double. Also these ones I can put in the single mode, so only the outer surfaces are heating, or I can use them as 2 independent devices, so it heats from the bottom and from the top, so if you hold it, it heats really well your hand. So there are many different models available. You have to check what do you want, how much do you want to spend, and see what is the best for you. Like, subscribe, and be nice.